never was in the 1600s. You have to learn to stand up for yourself.
That's right, Mother. You gotta stand up for yourself. Barbara is never gonna ever admit what she did wrong to you.
It's deep within you. It's time.
It's time. Boy, it's scary. About to do something really scary in our neighborhood. About to take a truck out with no plates on. Salem. We live in Sachem. Not too far from it.
Always had it going on. Most likely to marry his pillow. Still don't get that one.
I'm right there with you.
Most friendly, most popular, best looking. The high school hat trick could not have happened to an Asian woman. Maybe if I wasn't such a scaredy cat like Mom was saying, I would have asked you out. And the cutest couple would have been Violet and Hubie.
Ah! Jesus Christmas! That scared the bahooties out of me. We're gonna go outside on the 87 Suburban with no license plates on it. My mother and I are gonna go to a little tour on the town of Halloween. Look at this. All the decorations. There's a vehicle that's hidden over here. Far, far away. Very old. I don't know why it sounded Chinese for like 3 seconds. Come this way. This way. Come here. Give me a hand. I don't want the fucking vampires grabbing you.
I might be lucky if they did bite me.
Well, they suck. They like sucking. So vampires like sucking things. So grab the door handle of this beautiful truck that we can't see. Look at that. All the lights turn on inside of it. It's like a limo. You can live in this thing. Thing is huge. They call it they call it a Suburban. I like to call it the boat. She's trying to figure out which foot to use. There's a step there, and there's the inside there, and then there's there. Yeah, I don't know. I never got in the back seat of this thing yet.
It's the knees hard to bend. So.
Yeah, I know. You and I in the knees. The knees, the beneath. What do you think? Shut the door. Wait, hold on a second. Open the door. You didn't close it all the way. You didn't close it all the way. You gotta slam it a little bit. I need to hold the camera. Okay, you're gonna be my camera girl, okay? Okay. Okay, you can get in the middle more. In case we got more whores. You know, remember? 4 doors, more whores, get in the middle, watch out for the seatbelt, goes up your ass. Yeah, doesn't that suck?
Good, another pain. I wonder why my ass hurts tomorrow.
Remember, Eddie and Dorian are going to be seeing this, so they're going to be talking a lot, alright?
What the fuck is that? Looks like a pecker.
No, that's my arm holder.
Oh.
You're recording right now.
Oh, you're going to edit it.
No, I'm going to post it on Facebook. I don't care. We know we curse. They know we cursed. I don't even know English anymore.
They curse.
We're going to figure out if the lights work. Apparently, I locked myself out of my own truck. That's a great start to a video. Michael locked himself out of his own truck. Oh, what else is new? Oh, wrong end. Oh, right end.
Oh, boy.
It's hard to see it's hard to see in the dark.
There's no light.
There it is.
Interior light.
Come on, baby. Come on. It's better. A couple seconds in. Okay. So now she's running. Quiet, right?
Yeah.
With the windows closed, she is extremely quiet. That's the parking lights, headlights, brake lights.
Are both headlights
that's
working?
That's the accelerator. Brake lights work. This is going to be a really interesting
Is both
situation.
headlights on?
Yes, the left and the right are both on. The dash lights are on. I showed him how to do that.
Okay, the interior light just flicked.
Yeah,
there it is.
I got to play with the knob. The connector on it is pretty bad.
That is a bunch of dead bugs in the thing.
Well, it's from 87, okay? There's a lot of things dead inside this thing. We have no plates. Oh, I just shut my dash lights off. Not that I really needed them. I drove these trucks with no dashboard on them. Just gives me a little bit of solitude. You got a radio on it. I don't really need it. What we're going to do is figure out where the buttons are. There's that one. There's that one. Hold on a second. It's going to take a while for me to put them all down. There's actually some cool Halloween decorations in our neighborhood. So we are doing a drive of our neighborhood. I feel like I'm in a limo. Pull down the tents. Go ahead, show everybody with the camera. There's another dark gas tinted window. And I got my driver's license on me. That's all we need. I can't see shit in this thing. Oh God, there comes the cops. Mike's moving another truck. Monster Mash. It's a horrible smash, Monster Mash. It's gonna run over the neighbor's ass, Monster Mash.
Where the hell's the fences? Ugh.
We'll find the fences one way or the other. Actually, you know what? It actually is smaller than the Dodge Ram, which is actually really good.
Really?
Yeah, it's almost the same size as the C10.
Why does it look so much bigger?
I know, right? Alright, let's go see some good shit. Nothing yet. You know, nobody over here does anything. Look at the house. That's a little green on the inside. That's cool. I like that.
A lot of it you can't see at night, unfortunately, a lot of the decorations.
No. Well, actually, some people got some cool shit out and about.
Yeah.
I see when I come home from work.
Right.
And it's actually a couple of houses down this way.
Yeah, I saw them earlier.
Earlier? Where the hell were you?
In this truck?
Oh, yeah. That's right. I like it. It's great. It's so comfortable, too. Like, I can just sit back, just coast along. I'm doing like 15 miles an hour. It's great.
Yeah, it's nice.
I'm fine with the second gear is. There we go. Get some miscellaneous stuff on the right side. You want to film the right side? Got a skeleton in a chair. These guys always got something going.
Oh, they're always good. They're good at Christmas time, too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I like that blow-up bathtub. Everybody in for Halloween. That's good.
Right? I thought it was actually Christmas decorations.
No.
And then when I stopped the other night in my car and I was like, oh, okay, cool. It's Halloween. Thank God.
Yeah. No, they do Christmas and Halloween. They're as crazy as we are. These people got stuff, too, but you can't see it at night.
I don't really have
Let's
much
get
going
this
on.
side. I like that. I like that. Come back this way so I can get you. What was that?
I don't know. I'm in a really big lifted truck. It's hard to tell. I could run people over in cars. Look at the tree on the right-hand side.
Yeah. It's cool. Look at ghosts. That's what's his name? Oh God, I can't think of that character. Oh, that's really cool. That is really cool.
That's one of my neighbors walking around. She's seen me all day today. Let's go this way.
Oh, look at that big ass guy up there.
Remember, you got both windows open, so you can move around.
I know, that's what I'm
You gotta
doing.
move around this big ass boy.
Yeah,
Look at that.
I know, right?
Oh shit! Look at the size of those skeletons. Holy shit! Look at the big one in the backyard.
I know.
Like outside the backyard.
Yeah. Oh my God.
I love it. I love it. It's great. I love it. I love this truck too. This thing is great. I mean, how great is this thing? We're cruising in an old truck that runs better than the newer vehicles. I love it. Look at that. The cross.
Yeah. Crime scene things.
Let's see what else we got over here. left-hand side.
Yeah.
Got some Halloween.
But he's got some Halloween stuff mixed in with it, like a devil coming out.
Drive far with vehicles with little plates, as you will obviously know. A little bit on the left-hand side if you want to left it. Gauges work, which is great. The gauges work, the turn signals work, the speedometer works. Everything works on this truck, and it is fucking phenomenal. I love it. It is like the most enjoyable thing for me to have, of having multiple vehicles that just didn't have nothing working on them. And I never thought I'd go for an 87. There was no reason for it. I just didn't think I'd go for a newer 80s style square body. And honestly, from my point of view, it is the greatest thing. It has no carburetor. My foot is off the accelerator. It is coasting on its own. I have no hand on the steering wheel, and it's rolling. With a carburetor, I got the foot on the gas, one on the brake, my hands are on the wheel. My brain is in 8 million directions. This thing just rolls so beautifully, so nice. It's great. And if they can make newer vehicles this way, I would be in heaven. But they will never.
No, they never will.
They will never make a vehicle the way that this truck runs. This truck is fucking phenomenal. I don't know how many times I can say this. It is fucking exactly what I fucking wanted to pay for. I wanted a vehicle that it can run, it can drive, I can go anywhere with it, I can have fun with it, I can take it out for a night drive to go look at Halloween decorations, Christmas decorations. Yet again, my foot has not touched the gas. My hands are on the wheel so I don't hit my neighbor's head on because they're scared of a big giant ass boat rolling down their little area. It is a great truck. It is wonderful. It's amazing. It's beautiful. It's fun. It's comfortable. And on a 4-inch lift from rough country, I gotta say these guys actually look at that one.
And get
They did a great job on the lift kit on this truck with 35-inch tires, with mud tires on it. This thing runs nice. Let's give it some gas. No hands on the wheel. Woo! It runs straight. How many trucks have I bought that will run straight? None of them. It is great. I love it. It's got every little aspect of everything I ever wanted, and actually has it. Let's go. Yeah, the gauges work.
watch out.
I see her. I didn't go that far. I see her. Don't worry. I know what she looks like. What do we got over here? We got. You want to film down there? We got the.
Yeah, not really much down there at all. Got one little green guy here that I already got.
There. I know the funny too, the neighbors that don't know me are going to be like, who the fuck is this guy in our neighborhood? They should know the square body. It's got to be Mike. It's got to be Mike. Mike's just rolling around with no plates on, just like chilling. Just chilling around. Oh, we got... You know, it's funny, like a lot of the vehicles I've had, just, you know, they'd stall out and they wouldn't run. This thing is just like, I love it. It's exactly what I want. I want something I can just sit here in like a street like this, put the wheel there, take my hands off of it, cross my arms, my foot's off the accelerator, my foot's not on the brake, it just rolls. It rolls. It should roll. It should roll straight. It should just idle. It should be great. Look at the freaking cobwebs on that. I like that. just the right amount of like growl. You know, it doesn't need a lot. It just needs like a little. You know, it's a big truck. It needs just a little, and it's got the right exhaust system on it. I love it. It's great. Burgers, man, those burgers smell so
See,
fucking
it's
good.
got to be the golf place.
It's got to be somewhere around here.
Yeah.
It's so fucking close. I wish I had plates on. I would take it to work in the morning.
Pretty soon.
Very soon. Well, that's a new one.
Uh-oh.
That's not good.
No.
Nope, not good at all.
Thank God it happened here and no place else.
Yeah, I know.
How are we going to get in the driveway?
I'll do that in a couple seconds.
I think I'm going to get out instead of sitting in it. Here's your phone.
Thank you.